Hello, I am Prachi and today we are going to discuss everything about VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. But before talking about VPN, let's first go through some basics about Internet. The Internet is a network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. And as we all know, with the Internet, we have access to almost every information. And when you say you're online, it's just another way of saying that you are connected to the Internet. You must also have heard about the World Wide Web, which is usually known as web in short. It is a collection of different websites you can browse through the Internet. When you're online, or I just mean when you're connected to the Internet, you have access to multiple websites from across the world, which you can view through a type of application named web browser. Now it is important to note that web browser itself is not Internet. It only shows the websites that are stored on the Internet. Examples include Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Opera, etc. Every Internet user has its own and unique IP address which your Internet Service Provider or the ISP has access to. Now let's come back to the topic. Consider VPN as a secret tunnel through which you can anonymously pass and into which nobody can see, including hackers, governments, and not even your internet service provider. It is the easiest and most effective way for people to protect their internet traffic. You can keep your identity private as you go online. Using a VPN helps you to hide your location. When you use a VPN, it gives you a new IP address, and with that new IP address, you can browse the internet as if you were in the USA, Japan, or any other country, provided VPN service has servers there. Now the new IP address acts as a shield to the original IP address. VPN uses a layer of strong encryption to protect you from websites, apps, and services that want to track you. It also protects you from security breaches like packet sniffing and rogue Wi-Fi networks. Packet sniffing is the act of capturing data packets from across the computer network. It's always a good idea to use a VPN whenever you are traveling, working remotely, or using a free public Wi-Fi. With a VPN, you are able to regain access to the blocked and restricted websites. In the interest of your privacy, a VPN should be used every time you connect to the internet. It runs in the background, leaving you undisturbed while you use other apps, stream content, or browse the internet. Don't forget the peace of mind that you'll have knowing you are safe and protected. Some situations where a VPN is especially useful while traveling. With a VPN, you'll have no need to change the way you use internet, no matter how far you travel. While streaming, while using a public Wi-Fi like those in airports, parks and cafes, while gaming, while shopping. Some online stores show different prices to people in different countries, but with a VPN, no matter wherever you are shopping from, you will have access to the best deals in the world. The VPN server acts like a proxy. The websites you visit will see the IP address and location of your VPN server instead of your real IP address and location. Mathematics is used to build a secure connection which is called authentication. Once authenticated, the VPN server and the client can be sure that they are communicating with each other and no one else. Each data packet is encapsulated inside another data packet, which is called tunneling. And this ensures that the third parties are not able to have access to your data. The data inside the tunnel is encrypted. That is, the original representation of the data is converted into an alternative form of it. The data inside the tunnel is encrypted. That is, the original representation of the data is converted into an alternative form, which can be deciphered back to the original one only by some authorized parties. Now let's bring this all in a nutshell. When you connect to the internet without a VPN through your ISP, it gives you a unique IP address, which is your identity in the online world. Now because your ISP is the main manager here, It can see all the websites you visit, and not only websites, it can see everything you visit. Let's see what happens when you connect to the internet with a VPN. VPN on your device is also known as VPN client. When you connect to the internet with a VPN, it builds a secure connection between you as the client and the server. Your traffic is still going to pass through the ISP, but this time, neither it will be able to recognize your original identity, nor it will know your final destination. So this was all about VPN. See you in the next episode. Thank you so much.